Sevanmukhi jihadi. Swayamava Spuratitada. Sevanmukh vritti. When our tendency will come to serve to Krishna, that time our tongue will become Tadatma vritti. Oneness with the potency of Lord. That is called Tadatma vritti. Given Tadatma vritti, given example, as the iron cannot burn anything. But same iron, if you put in the fire, then all the potency of fire inside the iron, and that time the iron can burn. In the same way, when our Sevanmukh vritti will come, tendency to serve to Krishna, then all our limbs and body will become Tadatma vritti, oneness with the potency of Lord. Then holy names will be automatically danced on our tip of the tongue. Tunde tanubri vitante tundabuli labde karna kodobdam. Rupa Goswami Pad has written this verse. That time, holy names automatically will be danced on the tip of our tongue. Tunde tanubri vitante tundabuli labde. That time, we will be asked to Lord, O Lord, you will give me thousands of tongue and chant your holy name. O Lord, you will give me thousands of eyes. We can see your beautiful form. Actually, this is the process. So, that is called Tadatma vritti. So, Atas Krishna Namadi no bhaved grajya indriyi sevanmukhi jihadi swayameva spuratitta. That is Sevanmukh vritti. Servitual mode. Two kinds of mode of the human being. One is called Bhogonmukh vritti and is called वो उसे ताला लगाना पड़ेगा नहीं. Sevanmukh vritti and that is called Bhogonmukh vritti. Sevanmukh vritti, there is called tendency to serve. This is very important.
How to increase your tendency to serve? Like how to increase your tendency to serve?
What stage is it?
That stage is Shraddha.
Shraddha stage.
In the Shraddha, everything is what increases.
Shraddha gets more condensed.
Shraddha means that the faith. Shraddha sabde Vishwas kaye Sudhira Nischay Krishna Bhakti kaile Sarva Karma Krita. Shraddha, that is very important. Shraddha means I will serve to Krishna. Then my life will be successful. That is called Shraddha. But Shraddha is in the beginning, this Shraddha, the neophyte devotee, Kanishta Adhikari Shraddha, that is called very soft. Jar Shraddha, soft. Say hoy Kanishta Jan. Because everything depends on our faith. How much your faith. This is depend on your bhakti also. And everything manifests in your heart. Jar Komal Shraddha say Kanishta Jan. Who is called neophyte devotee, whose faith towards Krishna very soft. He is called neophyte devotee. Or whose Shraddha is more condensed and more and condensed, that is called, he is higher level than Madhyam Adhikari, intermediate devotee. Then that is called Uttam Adhikari. So, bhakti, everything depends on the Shraddha. But how much Shraddha these are. And this Shraddha is how much you Shraddha soft or and condensed.
How to increase your Shraddha?
Huh?
How to increase your Shraddha?
How will increase your Shraddha? Servicing, because there are no any other process. And Seva vritti. Reading Grantha, doing Stav, Stuti, servicing Guru, Vaishnavas, taking Mahaprasad also. Everything else. Worship Thakurji. Those all kinds of activities which are related with Krishna and Krishna Bhakta. What will do? This should be related with Krishna and Krishna Bhakta. This is the important. So Shraddha Sabde Vishwas Kahe Sudhira Nischay Krishna bhakti kohile sarva karma krita. Krishna bhakti kohile. If you perform Krishna bhakti, then your life will be successful. That means by the performing of karma, jnana, yoga and tapasya austerities, we will not attain our perfection goal. Only practice the devotion service to Lord. That is called Shraddha. So Shraddha sabde Vishwas ke Sudhira Nishchay Krishna bhakti kaile sarva karma krita. This is the process.
And how to really serve Harinam?
Eh?
How to serve Nam?
Harinam.
Yeah, when you're chanting.
When you are chanting holy names, again and again chanting holy names, then all the offense will be slowly removed from your heart. Rendering chanting holy names. Because holy name is called sadhan and holy name is called saddha. And holy name is the you have to practice holy names, chanting holy names. And holy name will attain your perfection goal.
Should you impose, like, meditate? People say, oh, you should meditate on the Astakalya Leela.
But who will meditate Ashtakal Leela? That is the special. The sadhak will come in the stage of Rati and Bhava Dosha. Without coming your stage of Bhava and Prem, you meditate, that is called pretending. You cheat himself. And
It comes automatically.
that it will become automatically. Sahabiki. Uttam Bhagavat, what you are doing, that will come in the automatically. It will come. Not in any kind of imaginary.
You don't need
No.
someone magic.
But you can also remember some pastimes of Krishna. That is called two kinds of upasana, worship of a deity. Two kinds of worship, upasana. One is called mantramaya upasana and is called sarasik upasana. The sarasik upasana, this is reserved for the Uttam Bhagavat, Ashtakali. Or mantramaya upasana, you can, the one slokas, you can chant and remember the meaning of this mantra. That is called mantramaya upasana. Baraha pidam narubapu karnu karnikaram vibrasavasu kanakamicham intamalam randhana beno radara sudayana purana gopavrindai bindaranam sapadarmanam pravisada giti kirti. This is called mantramaya upasana. Mantra, one mantra, Vedas mantra. This is called mantramaya upasana, simple way. As sarasik, according your ras, mood, bhav, melodies.
According to your rasa, that's your potency, right?
That is take time. This is not out of your.
Beyond that.
Yeah. Adhikar nalubya siddha deha bhave viparja buddhita sakti rabhave. Uttam Thakur explained. If you not qualified adhikar and you just imaginary remember pastimes of Krishna, that is called offense of life. So everything depends on that. How to remove all the anarthas. Lust, anger, enviousness, jealousy. This is called this types of anarthas. Sarup Brahm, Hudaya Durbulla, Asat Trishna, Aparad. This is called anarthas. Duskrityukta anartha, sukrityukta anartha, bhaktiukta anartha, aparadukta anartha, many kinds of anartha. Madhurya Kadamini Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada has explained. This is very important. So how to remove the anarthas. Or once heart is full of lust and anger, how possible he will be? Remember the pastimes of Krishna. Soko moho adibhi jasya hrida. One's heart is completely covered with lust, anger, enviousness. How possible we remember the pastimes of Krishna? Not possible. So Shastra is saying step by step. Adhikar nalabhya siddha deha bhave viparja buddhitar shakti rabhave. So everything is to do adhikar. Kavi nityananda more kori daya chadai be more visaye ramaya. দিয়া নিজ চরণের ছায়া নামের হাটেরে দিবেন অধিকার ওই নিত্যানন্দ will give me অধিকার eligibility how to chant holy names কবি নিত্যানন্দ মরি করি দয়া ছাড়াইবে মোর বিষয়ের মায়া and we will be free from all kinds of attachment of the families because attachment is called the root cause of bondage जीवों के बंधन के कारण क्या है अटैचमेंट मोह इल्यूजन माया एंड मोह म्रियते अनैति माया दिस इज माइंड दिस इज योर्स दिस इज कॉल्ड हिज माइंड म्रियते अनैति
I feel that this is mine, but it is
or
not mine.
always you think everything belongs to Krishna ईशावस्य सर्विदं यत्किंचन जगत्तम जगत तेन तक्ता भंजिता माँ गिद्ध कष्ट सिद्धनम ईशावस्य everything belongs to Lord. This is not mine. I am doing everything on behalf of Lord. Or Lord inspired my heart, I am doing this way. This simple. But you cannot acting the role of or Duryodhana. Duryodhana understand? Duryodhana he also told, I am not doing this case. You also doing make me this I am saying. This is called the false ego.
How can you tell when you're following your Gurudev's instruction? How can you? What are the symptoms? How can you tell that yes, I am following my Gurudev's instructions as his like what his inner heart is? How can you like we say Rupa Goswami knew the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's inner desires? How can we as sadhak do that to our Gurudev?
Everything you will get according your bhajan and sadhana. How much you remove the anarthas from your heart. Everything is what coming, everything are coming from your sadhana and bhajan.
But how can we how can we say that okay, what level we have reached?
Everything depends on how much you taste to chanting holy name. Name ruchi. Name ruchi jiveda. Krishna nama the sarva dharma sar. How much you taste to chanting holy names. How many rounds you are chanting holy names. This is very important.
Like sometimes you do all your rounds in the morning and then you got all these other things to do daytime. Is that okay or
that is not the matter. This is depend on according to your
circumstances.
schedule, time of schedule you can do.
It's okay, like this.
But morning chanting of holy name, this is the best.
Morning chanting.
Because morning in Brahma Murta, everybody's mind, that is called the Sattik mind. Mood of goodness. Understand? Sattik mind, if early in the morning you chant, then your mind will be fresh mind.
Also concentration is
Easy to concentrate.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said the best meditation is to meditate on the lotus feet. Can we do that lotus feet of Krishna and Radharani and the symbols and
Yeah, you
meanings
can
of
do.
the symbols and chanting that way that we can do?
Good idea.
Or also go through the Guru Parampara, like Vedas, Samadhis, and you are following
Anyhow,
the darshan, like Radha Damodar
Bhakta
temple.
Bhagavan, and everything will get benefit, or not?
But the essence is like this only unless your heart is not clear.
Your heart is not clear. If
You have to remove all anarthas from the
If
heart.
it is Maya, then not clear.
try to understand. Only remove the anarthas from your heart, this is not enough. Simultaneously, you have to practice devotional service to Lord. केवल जमीन में क्या बोले हाल जोत रहे. Only you are plowing in your field, but not you are putting the seeds and water. So how possible the grains you will get from the your field? केवल हाथ जोत रहे
बिना पानी सीढ़ के नहीं होता.
हैं जोतना भी पड़ेगा You understand? You have to plowing your field and simultaneously you also put the seed and also put the water. 3 things in it. Plowing, put the water, a seed and
Watering.
water. 3 things. That means is what? You clean your heart. This is true. हैं? वो हिंदी के बार बार मैं वो कहता रहता हूँ, मैल लागे तो तन से धोए जल से, हैं? मैल लागे तन से तो धोए जल से, और मैल लागे मन में धोए कैसे? हैं? आप बताओ, शरीर में कीचड़ लग जाए, यू कैन क्लीन योर बॉडी विद द वाटर एंड सोप. वाटर भी अच्छी वाटर होनी चाहिए ना, मैला वाटर के द्वारा आप धो तो कैसे होगा, हैं? और भी गंदा हो जाएगा. इसलिए मैल लागे तन से धोई जल से, हैं? और मैल लागे मन में धोई कैसे? मन में यदि काम क्रोध आदि हो उसके धोगे कैसे? बोले राम नाम के, राम नाम के साबुन से धोई. क्या बोले? राम नाम रूपी साबुन से हृदय के धोई. राम नाम रूपी ये सोप व साबुन के द्वारा हृदय के धोए. और दर्पण निर्मल मन में राम के दर्शन हो. जब राम नाम, वही राम नाम ही क्या है? साबुन है. और राम नाम ही दर्पण है, राम नाम ही स्वयं प्रभु है. अर्थात राम नाम साधन भी है और साध्य भी है. ये कहने की तात्पर्य. नाम के द्वारा साधन होता है, क्लीन योर हार्ट, और नाम के द्वारा प्रभु के दर्शन होता है. ये कहती है. अच्छा, मुझे अंदर जाना पड़ेगा तो नहीं?
हमको कृपा करो कि
हैं?
हमको भी हरि नाम को रुचि है.
हाँ, हरिनाम करो, हरिनाम में रुचि हो जाए, धीरे धीरे सब कुछ होगा. अच्छा, इतना अराइवल प्लेस है ना?
अराइवल इधर ही, डिपार्चर इधर, अराइवल उधर. कल आप इधर से आए.
ये है, यहाँ से जाना है.
नहीं, हम लोग तो उधर जाना है. ये तो अभी फ्लाइट आने वाला है.
4:30 का बोर्डिंग है.